Do you think YouTube success is all about luck? What if I told you small creators are getting thousands, even million of views by following a few steps and strategies? Stay until the end because one of these tips can completely change your YouTube journey. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are struggling to get views, subscribers or watch time, don't worry about it. Every successful YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. Today I am sharing most effective YouTube growth tips and actually works. Let's get started. Create valuable content. The first secret is simple. Create content that people want to watch. Before making a video, ask yourself, why would someone click on this? Solve a problem, entertain people or teach them something new. Create content is always the foundation of successful channels. Tip number 2. Thumbnail and title. Your thumbnail and title are the first thing viewers can notice. Make your thumbnails clean and colorful, not too much but easy to understand. Use short curiosity-driven title that make people want to click, but never use misleading clickbaits. Remember, more clicks means more chances to grow. Tip number 3. Consistency. Don't upload one video today, disappear for a month. Create a simple schedule and stick to it. Whether it's one video every week or 3 shorts every week, consistency helps YouTube trust your channel. Growth takes time, so don't quit too early. Conclusion, every big YouTuber was once a beginner. Keep learning, keep improving, and never compare your first video to someone else's 100th. Success on YouTube isn't about being perfect, it's about showing up consistency. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with another creator who trying to grow. Make sure this thing don't need expensive equipment. Now move on tip number 4. Choose your niche. Focus on one topic instead of uploading random videos. When YouTube understands your content, it's more likely to recommend it to the right audience. Tip number 5. Create a strong hook. The first 10 seconds decide whether people keep watching. Start with a question, a surprising fact, or a promise of value. Number 6. How to improve watch time. Keep viewers engaged by removing unnecessary pauses, using visuals, and teasing what's coming next. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more YouTube tips, and comment below with your biggest challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make it shorter, more professional, more casual. Bye bye. I will see you soon.